Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kolhapur location. It is from Maharashtra. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for branch manager position from White Oak Capital Management. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is an internship available for sales professionals from Firefly Fire Pump Private Limited. For this position, the candidates must have excellent interpersonal and communicational skills and ability to work in a fast-paced team environment, and they should have experience with PowerPoint, Word and Excel, and they should have qualifications like BE in mechanical and MBA in marketing or sales or business development or advertising will be preferred, and there are 4 vacancies are available, and it will be 3 months duration internship, and the stipend will be 3 to 5,000. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this internship, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for drone pilot and system engineer position from Ivotech World Aviation. For this position, the candidates must have qualifications like bachelor's degree in technology, ECE will be preferred, and the preference will be given to the candidates with the prior experience as professionals, drone pilots in industry for minimum 6 months, and comfortable operating of UAS in various weather and light conditions. These are the qualifications required for this position, and you must have 2 years plus experience in this field. And if you see the salary, it will be 2.4 to 3 lakhs per annum for experienced candidates, and for fresher candidates it will be 2 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for cluster credit manager position for the product of home loans, and it is from a reputed and fast growing NBFC. For this position, the candidates should have the age below 38 years, and the CTC will be based in industry. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for branch operations manager from Jana Small Finance Bank. For this position, the candidates are responsible for branch operations, business development, MIS reporting, complaints and service quality at the branch. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for sales manager position in unsecured business loan product, and it is from S Bank. For this position, the candidates from business loan background will be preferred. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for credit manager position for a reputed NBFC, and it is for the products of home loan and loan against property. For this position, the candidates must have any graduation and must have sanctioning authority and experience of field PDS. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for channel sales executive position from Eastman Cast and Fog Limited. For this position, the preference will be given to the candidates having similar line experience. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.